Hey guys, just want to show you a really important aspect of the injector replacement job. If you haven't purchased the injector kit from us and you're not in the VIP and you haven't seen the many full-length detailed videos on how to do the injectors and replace them right, at least thing you can do is make sure you got this part right. So that's what we're going to show you. It's really important that you get the ports clean. Now when I say ports, I'm not talking about inlet or exhaust ports, I'm talking about the injector ports, right? I'll try and get in there and show you, right? There's a hole there. Oh no, we got no light. What happened there? I thought I turned it on. Let's turn it on and see what happens. How's that? There's a bit of light. That's better, isn't it? You can see what's going on. Let's get in there and have a look. I'm not worried about, see that oil sitting up on top there? Because that sort of just keeps coming back. It's fairly clean oil, and oil's oil. I don't care what's on the surface at the top there, as long as it's not on the taper and running down the sides or down the bottom, right? Spotlessly clean down there. It's probably hard for you to see because of the reflection factor. What we use is, as I've demonstrated before, the best thing for the job is a 16mm timber dowel. Some people choose to add a texture into the end of it, and you get thin strips of rag, nice clean thin rag like that. And you put it down the hole and you keep putting in and out and replacing the rag. You can spray a little bit of degreaser or a lot depending what your situation is. If you've done it as prevention, if you've done this job as prevention before the seats have leaked, then that's the best way to do it, because then you're only going to need a small amount of cleaning. But if you do leave it till the seats leak, leave it too long, or someone's done a dodgy job, you're going to have a lot more cleaning to do. I'm sure we've got videos on that, but this one is just saying, look, get the thing nice and clean, right? Let's have a look. I mean, as I said, the reflection's your problem, but down all those ports, they're all spotlessly clean. If we could somehow get the light, so having the light on maybe wasn't the best thing. Let's try a bit further away. No, anyway, you'll have to believe me. Maybe I'll take some photos, see if we can join that on at the end. But this is a bit of a bada boom, bada bing. These are spotlessly clean. Next step here is we're going to drop the injector seats, the replacement seats, which are made of copper with a coating over them. We use genuine only. They'll get dropped down. You've got to make sure they're sitting flat, and then you can install the injector. And of course the number of precautions there, using the lubricant on the O-ring, etc, etc. Anyway, I'll just sort of show you in here. Anyway, this engine's fairly clean, not the cleanest I've seen, but it's fairly clean. You know, it's had some regular servicing or some oil changes lately. I would say it could probably do with a bit more catch up to do. So let's get some photos down these ports and see what they look like. Make sure you're happy with them. I'm happy. They're absolutely spotless. Yes, I took a number of photos, probably 10 or 12, probably a few of each, because it depends, you know, the focus thing and what angle you're on and that sort of thing. But hope you get the idea, guys. The way it works is it needs to be really clean. You want to use genuine parts and procedures, make sure it's all torqued to specification. We've got all those details in our full injector replacement videos. Quite a lot of information on our YouTube channel. But the maximum detailed information is in the VIP group. You just purchase your injector kit if you're in Australia. If you're not in Australia, yeah, you can pay a fee to join the group. A lot of people are saying they'd love to pay money for the information that I share on YouTube. So if you like, you know, whatever. So it's a loyalty group to get in there. It's not a freebie, that one, unfortunately, but all the YouTube videos are. Hope you enjoyed that and that's helped you out. If you like that, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe and turn that bell on. Bada bing, bada boom. See ya.